Hey, what's up, fam? It's your boy Darren coming to you on a beautiful day here in South Florida. Just giving you a tidbit. This is a house that we're building. Um, I got an inspection come probably Thursday on the sheathing. The shell is pretty much up. We did a little cleaning up over here today. I like to keep my job sites clean. It's good for your morale. It's good for when inspectors come, they're not stepping over everything's nails and all that good stuff. So I'm not a fan of a messy job site. That's just me. As you can see here, walking in, everything is clean. Walk in. There's always something to do. Filled up the dumpster. I'm calling for the dumpster to be removed because I don't like to keep dumpsters on the job site either. Because sometimes people think that's their personal garbage can. So I fill it up. We did all that by hand actually today. Filled it up by hand today. But this is what we do. So everything you see right now was the slab. It's 3,000 PSI concrete, 4 inches thick. You got the garage over here. Trusses have been delivered. A lot of good stuff going on. I got to bring in some dirt because the elevation is high because of flooding purposes. So we'll bring up dirt in. I got a couple, like 3 or 4 trucks loads coming in the back. Haven't decided if I'm going to put a pool here or not. But I always want the backyard to be an extension, especially on the smaller homes. I like to have an extension of a backyard where you can, chill out, have your cookouts, lounge or whatever. So if you have a backyard, you probably have an additional 6, 7, or 1,000 square foot more that you can use your backside extension of your home. Something to think about. But this is what we are. This is what we do. Whether you are building new, custom, an addition, we're the people that you need to call. Over 20 some odd years of experience. We also got information on if you want to be a developer, you're an investor, we got you. Continue to watch my videos. Tune into my YouTube station, which is Darmac Builders, the builders in parentheses, and you'll probably see this video there. So make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. All right, help your boy out. We're getting the word out. We here. Peace.